Welcome back to Car Care Fix, the channel where we make car problems simple, fixes easy, and maintenance stress-free. In this video, I'll show you how to test your fuel injectors using a simple tool, a long screwdriver. Let's get started. If your car is idling rough, misfiring, losing power, hesitating, or using too much fuel, a bad fuel injector could be the cause. But before replacing anything, it's important to test them properly. Step 1. Locate the fuel injectors. First, open the hood and remove the air intake if needed to get better access. Fuel injectors are usually mounted along a metal fuel rail on the side of the engine, with wires connected to each one. If you have a 4-cylinder engine, they're typically on one side. If it's a V-shaped engine, you'll find injectors on both sides. Each cylinder has its own injector, so follow the fuel rail to find them. Step 2. Understand how they work. Fuel injectors receive constant fuel pressure from the fuel pump. Your car's computer sends electrical signals to open and close them. Inside, an electromagnet moves a small pin, allowing fuel to spray into the engine. This movement creates a ticking sound, and that's what we'll use to test them. Step 3. Use a screwdriver to listen. Start the engine. Place the tip of a long screwdriver on one fuel injector. Then gently place your ear on the handle of the screwdriver. If the injector is working properly, you'll hear a steady, consistent ticking sound. Step 4. Check for problems. If you don't hear any ticking or the sound is uneven, that injector may be faulty. Repeat this process for all injectors and compare the sounds. Step 5. Use a stethoscope, optional but better. For clearer sound, you can use an automotive stethoscope. Place the probe on the injector and listen through the earpieces. This makes it much easier to detect weak or silent injectors. Step 6. Compare all injectors. Listen to each injector one by one. They should all sound similar. If one sounds different or silent, it's likely the problem and may need replacement. Important note: this test only confirms that the injector is opening and closing. It does not check fuel pressure, electrical resistance, or clogging. We'll cover those advanced tests in other videos, so stay tuned. If this video helped you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Car Care Fix for more simple car repair tips and secret maintenance tricks. Thanks for watching, drive safe, and I'll see you in the next video.